Now, First Alert Weather with meteorologist Tyler Jankowski.
We've had ice and now we've got wind.
Yeah, good thing is the snow is done, but we still have a little bit of that ice tonight, and then wind is definitely the big problem as we go through tomorrow. We'll take a look at Storm Tracker right now and show you that there's not much going on, but there are some sleet pellets and a little bit of freezing rain in these patches of pink along Route 11 between Malone and Potsdam. Very scattered at this point. There's really not too much going on. Some sleet pellets and freezing rain out towards the Northeast Kingdom as well. It's mainly dry in southern Vermont, but I think all of that will change, especially after midnight tonight. Now you see Plattsburgh and Burlington both close to freezing, but then there's other spots like Montpelier and Rutland in the 20s. It's the areas in the 20s that'll have a longer concern for the ice as we go through the night. So when the radar fills back in, it's a mix of freezing rain and rain. The freezing rain will be in the colder spots. Eventually, we all go to plain rain tomorrow, but it's a slow process, especially in some spots. We'll look at that in a second. And then there's definitely localized damaging wind tomorrow. There's no doubt about that. So we won't even say it's possible because we are expecting that for tomorrow. Overnight, we have the red icon indicating the slippery travel. Even without much falling from the sky, I think things could get a little slick tonight. And then obviously we start to add more freezing rain and rain after that. So we do have the winter weather advisory until all of this winter stuff ends about lunchtime tomorrow. So here's Futurecast. Not much right now, but see all of this pink here. This is 2 a.m. and that's a combination of sleet and freezing rain, trending more towards freezing rain and eventually plain rain. But look at this. This is 12 noon. Some rain in the Champlain Valley, Burlington and Plattsburgh, but Essex County, New York, and then eastern Vermont, it's still pink. So the ice is going to hang on into tomorrow afternoon in the pockets where the cold is hard to scour out. Eventually it goes over to plain rain by late tomorrow, and then those rain and snow showers linger into Tuesday. So I think by late tomorrow, we struggle to get to close to 40. But again, for the morning hours, we're right around 32. So in terms of impact, some slippery travel first thing, not as bad as this morning, but absolutely damaging wind. And when you combine the ice, the little bit of ice with the wind, there will be power outages in spots. So we have a high wind warning for the western slopes of the Green Mountains down into southern Vermont. And then it's a wind advisory, a lesser wind advisory for northern New York and then far northern areas. So I want to show you in detail who's at risk here. I think the greatest risk is absolutely in southern Vermont. It's Bennington County and Rutland County where 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts are expected. Rutland, Wells, Manchester, Shaftesbury, Bennington, and in a couple pockets, the gusts could be to 75 miles per hour. So there are going to be power outages in this area tomorrow, all the way up along Route 7 through Rutland, east of Middlebury. The worst will be up through about Heinsberg, and again, potential for 60 to 75 miles per hour in these spots. Less concern, but still some 40 and 50 mile per hour gusts west of the White Mountains, so in Grafton and Sullivan counties of New Hampshire, and also through northern New York. Again, lesser concern where it's about a 50-mile-per-hour potential from Malone through Potsdam, especially south of Route 11 in northern New York. So it's really Bennington, Rutland, and eastern Addison counties that we have to be concerned about for the wind tomorrow. Any slippery goes away by about lunchtime, especially in the Champlain Valley, longer in eastern Vermont. For Tuesday, rain and snow showers, 43. And then most of the showers, I think, are in the mountains on Wednesday. But then they return for just about everyone on Thursday. Then Friday, back to the mountains. At least the weekend is looking quite nice right now. Back into the 50s finally by Sunday. Jen?
Thank you, Tom.